The DUMOS 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance, capable of performing multiple cooking functions such as pressure cooking, steaming, and slow cooking. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this cooker not only promises durability, but also resists stains and corrosion, ensuring a sleek and long-lasting addition to any kitchen. With its spacious 8-quart capacity, the DUMOS cooker is perfect for preparing large family meals, meal prepping, or hosting gatherings, effortlessly handling everything from stews to roasts. As a multi-cooker, it offers more than just pressure cooking, doubling as a rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, which makes it an invaluable tool for busy households. Cleaning up is made simple with its non-stick inner pot and removable parts, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The robust design of the DUMOS pressure cooker ensures that it can withstand daily use, making it a reliable kitchen companion for years.